In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Jcpenney promo code in 2024. This is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. Open your web browser and search for Jcpenney promo code. And right here, you'll have to select this website, which is couponfollow.com. So as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 35% off, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here and you can copy and use this code on your next purchase in order to get your discount. So also going back to our main search right here, we can also use this website, which is simplycodes.com, a website that I also recommend. So as you can see right here, we have other deals that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 30% off, all you have to do is select this code right here and copy this code and use it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.